Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the vibration when matchmaking in Dragon Ball Legends. So before we start, I want to show I made this video is for beginner that new in this game. You are still learn about this how this game is works and what event that you can challenge, what mission that you can complete before you going to before you jump to the gameplay. There are some vibration, unnecessary vibration for me, and it will run out your battery. So you can turn off this feature by tapping the menu button, tap the other, and as you can see there are a lot of options here. Tap the third one, the options, tap the other, and try to scroll down. This one, vibration when matchmaking, you can turn it off. For example, for PvP, person versus person, or in co-op event or co-op challenge. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.